Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are standing here to present about how to make RJ45 cable. And my name is ROSMAIZATU binti AZMAN. And group member is FAKHIRA RUHIYA binti RUZI. And the last one is NURHANI NADHIRAH binti YUSRIHAN. And we are from Faculty Information Management, and we are from 4A.
Okay, before that, I want to introduce the tools that we need to make the RJ45 cables. The first one, we have RJ45 connectors. The second one, we have network cable. The third one, we have crimper tool. And the last one, we have scissors. There are two kinds of Ethernet cables that we can make, which is straight through and crossover. For our group, we will make straight through cable. Alright, so here's how to make a standard cable, which is straight through cable. The first one, cut into the plastic sheet about 1 inch, which is 2.5 cm from the end of the cut cable. The crimper tool has a razor blade that will do the trick with practice. Unwind and pair the similar colors. Then we have arranged them according to the colors, which is start from orange and white, orange, white and green, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, and the last is brown. The color order is important to get correct. Use scissors to make a straight cut across the 5 wires to shorten them to 1/2 inch. which is 1.3 cm from the cut sleeve to the end of the wires. And then carefully push all 5 unstraight color wires into the connector. Note the position of the blue plastic sleeve. Also note how the wires go all the way to the end. This is a view from the top. All the wires are all the way in. There are no short wires. Next step is crimping the cable. Carefully place the connector into the Ethernet crimper and pinch down on the handles tightly. The copper splicing tabs on the connector will twist into each of the 8 wires. There is also a locking tab that holds the blue plastic sleeve in place for a fine partition fit. When you remove the cable from the crimper, that end is ready to use. As I mentioned before, for our group, made the straight through cable. So for a standard straight through cable, repeat all steps and wire color order on the other end of cable. For a cross cable, the other end will have a different color order as shown by the crossover picture above. Thank you.
Lastly, we want to check our R345 cable using network cable tester. Let's wait for the result.
On je. Last check. Yay!
And finally,